fish.
Welcome to Green Hippie Kid Edition. Okay, in today's video, we're going to talk about tilapia. And without further ado, here's Root.
Welcome to Green Hippies Kid Edition. Today, we're going to talk about tilapia. We're gonna have tilapia, and you know what, guys, they're already here. They're already inside in their baby pond inside, and we have them right here in this awesome aquarium right here. Excuse me as I hold the laundry in my basket. Okay. So this is the window scene from outside. Okay, this is me, and I don't know if you can see. Can you see the aquarium? Okay, hi everybody. Meet the tilapias. For tilapias, they are basically preparing to go outside. They are eyeballing their outdoor home. So, my love, are you excited about tilapias?
Oh yes, I'm very excited about that.
You are?
I like tilapia.
This is the beauty when you grow up with aquariums and your husband has the same thing. I didn't even think about it, you know, it's so natural for both of us. And you know, once you kind of like start with aquariums and you've done it before, I told Danielle, you know what, we might have just give in and just, you know, set up more aquariums because, you know, you get hooked. What do you think about my curtain? Isn't it cool? They're like 3D curtains in honor of your doggy. Meet the tilapia puppies. La, 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 la. Aren't they awesome? And you see how there is a pond in the middle and you have a pond in the back? You know. Hi, babies. Did you see that I was pointing? Yes. So we got two different species of tilapia. No, two different kinds of tilapias here, yeah? We have blue tilapia and then we have Mozambique tilapia. And the later one, they just arrived a couple of days ago, so they will have their colors soon. And yeah, they're coexisting quite nicely. In like 4 months, they go from being a baby to being edible, this big. So they swim around and in the aquarium. So one that is this big now, if you get them as a baby, will be this big when it's adult-ish. So we'll see how big they actually turn out. So what are tilapias? Okay, number one, tilapia is the fish that Jesus ate, or Yeshua at the Sea of Galilee, or the Kinneret in Israel. And in Hebrew, fish is called dagesh. And I actually ate St. Peter's fish, which is actually tilapia, at the Sea of Galilee, where Jesus went when I was going back and forth there. I ate it with Aunt Deborah, my old friend, and it was very yummy. I like it very much.
There's an interesting story to that too in the Bible. It talks about how Peter and Andrew were fishing, and Yeshua came along and told them to cast their nets to that side. They had no luck all day, but then they got a heaping load of tilapia.
So, saying that, tilapias are, they're yummy, they're cute. Everything I say after yummy sounds bad, doesn't it? And when they get bigger, we're gonna basically eat them. Yes, they are food to be. You want to eat your food? You want to eat your fish? I mean, do you want to eat your fish? How can you eat your fish? How can you have a thing about fish and eat them? But babies taste best when you eat cows. You basically eat these things anyway, but you buy them at the store in a square box. But here you get to grow them, you get to see them be happy. They will taste much, much better, and you will give them the best living conditions ever. So tilapias are food. But we do have some that have names, so they might be kept for breeders. They're fun. So another thing I found with tilapias is that they are a pack fish. They always hunt in packs and play in packs. And we have different kind of things in here. We have a crowdad, and we have some catfish. And the funny thing is that they mimic the behavior of the things around them. And now that we increased their size because we added 2 different ones, we added the blue and the Mozambique ones, you see that they're actually working as a pack. They go together when they're scared. When they're not scared, they go and explore together. And so not only are they pack fish, which is quite fun to watch, but they also are very intelligent. They learn a lot from the things around them, and they mimic the behavior. So because of that, I find them quite entertaining. Hang on, you're now going under the aquarium. Can you see? You're now under the aquarium. You're in the pantry shelf, but you're under the aquarium. And so this way, you could actually have fun and study your fish. But I do it because I am growing babies under here. I'm going to show you. So under the aquarium on the shelf, I'm growing these. I'll better show you around the camera. So here you see growing wheat, you see growing lettuce, and they get a lot of lights from the aquarium, so it works out quite fun, doesn't it? You're not curious, are you? Yeah, so these are the tilapias, and they're going down there in the pond once they get bigger. Yay! We didn't tell them about the pond though, because tilapias are just not normal aquarium fish, are they?
No, they're not normal aquarium fish. They normally grow in the wild, so that's why they're easily grown in aquaponics. They're just very easily grown fish.
And you can grow them in ponds outside and they will get big. So if you don't have place, you don't have space in your mini aquarium, you can have a pond outside and grow them in the pond.
Mm-hmm.
And you can use the water of the tilapia fish to water plants with. And the plants will grow much better. Right? You will build them a pond, right? If you have tilapias, build them a pond. They have to have a pond. Our favorite topic when it comes to ways to relax and enjoy and have fun and be intrigued, and better than television, and the cats like them too.
Good qualities, the funness of tilapia, and the enjoyment of having them around.
Daniel, how are they fun? I know they're fun now. I like them. How are they fun? They are fun though. They're fun. We're trying to set up an app. You know, when we old folks get older, it's not that easy. Look at our baby. This is our studio. It's very nice, isn't it? So we're looking for the app so I can actually use this gimbal. Very awesome. You probably know how to use this better than me. So what is that called? Whoa! Don't go anywhere. Oh my gosh, you should actually see this. With black pepper? Yeah. Okay. Welcome to GreenHippies Kid Edition. And kid, you can be ever between 0 years and 1,000 years. So that's kind of like a plants, isn't it?
Yes.
You know.
She threw this in my right in my eye.
I'm so sorry.
Oh,
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. so you can forgive me. Okay, do you want to say something else before we hang
No,
up?
that's good.
Okay.
Thank you. What?
I love you.
I love you too.